Exercise 7.2 question 1. In an isosceles triangle, isosceles means its two sides are equal. It is isosceles means two sides AB equal to AC. Given that AB equal to AC. Bisector of B and C intersect each other at O. Bisector of this angle and also bisector of this angle meet at O. These are bisectors. O and join A and O. It is construction running by dotted lines. Suppose BD and CE are points on the lines, so that OB is equal to OC. AB is equal to AC. It is given BD bisects angle B and CE bisects angle C. BD and CE meet at O. These things are given. Required to prove RTP, two things are there. First is OB is equal to OC, and second thing that AO bisects angle A. No need of construction proof. Here given that AB equal to AC, triangle is isosceles, therefore angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Reason behind this is that angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. This is clear. Therefore, half angle ABC will be equal to half angle ACB. If two are equal, their halves will also be equal, which implies angle OBC, which is half of angle B, is equal to angle OCB, which is half of angle C. Therefore, OB is equal to OC, because the theorem is that in a triangle, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Here OB and OC are sides. OC is opposite to half angle B and OB is opposite to half angle C. They are equal given here. Therefore, OB is equal to OC. First is proved. Now second, AO bisects angle A. To prove this, AO is already joined. AO is joined here. Let us remove these things. First is proved. Now second part is take two triangles. These are equal here. Now, in triangles, to prove the second part, EBC and DBC. BC is equal to BC, which is common. Angle EBC is equal to angle BCB, it is given. It is common. And angle OCB or ECB, you can say, is equal to angle DBC. Proved, because it both are half of equal angles B and C. Therefore, triangle EBC is congruent to triangle DBC by ASA congruence. Therefore, two angles will be equal. Angle BEC is equal to angle BEC is equal to angle BDC. Simplicity or equal. Simplicity or equal. Therefore, angle AED is equal to angle ADE. Supplements of that, because this plus this 180, this plus this 180, they are equal, therefore they will also be equal. Supplementary angles of equal angles are equal. Now in triangles AEC and ADB. Here AO is equal to AO common. It's a good question. And angle AEC is equal to angle ADB proved above. And angle ACE is equal to angle ABD, half of equal angles, equal base angles. Therefore, triangle AEC is congruent to triangle ADB. Therefore, where I am going from here. After this, we come here. Therefore, angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. Simplicity. Corresponding chords of congruent triangles are equal. Therefore, AO bisects angle A. The question is, very important and a bit lengthy question. So do it properly. It's a good question of congruency of triangles. Let us start again. Question 2. In question 2, in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC, so that ABC is an isosceles. It is very simple. Here see, ABC is a triangle. AD is perpendicular bisector means here this angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree and BD is equal to DC is given. So by simple congruency, ABD and ACD will be congruent because AD is common, BD is equal to DC and angle included between them is 90 degree. So the two triangles will be congruent, and by congruency AB will be equal to AC by simplicity. So you try yourself because it's very simple as compared to question 1. Now let us proceed to question number 3. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes B and CF are drawn to equal side AB and AC. AB and AC equal are given and BE and CF are altitudes, means they are perpendicular, so that these altitudes are equal. It is again very simple here. You take two triangles ABE and ACF. Here AB is equal to AC. It is given that triangle is isosceles, and angle AEB is 90 degree because given that it is perpendicular. Angle AFBC is also 90 degree. And angle A is common in both, therefore two triangles will be congruent, and therefore BE will be equal to CF. So here question 3 is also of a simple congruency. So you do question 2 and 3 one by one. Simply two congruency rules are here. Here is A SA, and in question 2 it is SAS. So try to do up to question. I have done long question, a longer question 1 and 2, 3 I have given hint to you. Do number question 4. 4 is the similar question. ABC is triangle in which altitudes B and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal. Here altitudes are equal, so that triangle AB and ACF are congruent and AB is equal to AC. This is also of similar type. So question 4 is like this. ABC is a triangle. Altitude BE and CF, these are perpendiculars and they are equal. Given equal side to AB and AC are equal, so that triangle ABE, AB here is E, here is F. These two are congruent, ACF are congruent, and AB equal to AC. So, to prove this, triangle ABE. So here, given that triangle ABC, BE is equal to CF, it is given, and angle AEB is equal to angle AFC is equal to 90 degree both. On the basis of these two things, we have to prove that the two triangles ABE and ACF are congruent. So proof. This is also very simple. In triangle ABE, in triangles ABE and ACF, here angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A common, and angle AEB, here I have taken angle AEB is equal to angle AFC is equal to 90 degree, it is given, and altitude BE is equal to CF. Therefore, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by ASA congruency rule, and therefore after congruency AB will be equal to AC by CP/CT. So 4 is also similar. I have given some hint, and you try to complete up to question number 4. After that, question 5. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. One base BC is here. One triangle ABC is above and BDC is below. BDC is below. And it is given isosceles. This is equal to this and this side is equal to this. So that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. ABD is equal to ACD. This is also very simple because AB equal to AC, so this angle will be equal to this. It is theorem that in a triangle, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Similarly, here these two are equal. Therefore, this angle will be equal to this. Therefore, this angle plus this angle, that is angle ABD, will be equal to angle ACD. This is number 5, and you try to complete it because this is also very easy. Question 5. 3 more questions are here in this exercise. 6, 7 and 8, and 3 more questions are left. I have given hint of questions 1 to 5 of exercise 7.2. So let us do 2 more questions. Number 6 question. Question number 6 is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Isosceles triangle is given here. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Isosceles triangle. Side BA is produced to D. BA is produced to D. Such that AD is equal to AB. So this becomes a bit critical. Here is A. It is produced much. DA is equal to AD. Here is D. AD is equal to AB. These two are equal given. So that BCD is a right angle. BCD is a right angle. This angle is right angle. It is required to prove. Here given that AB equal to AC. So to prove that this angle is 90 degree, it is very simple. See here, AB equal to AC, therefore this angle is equal to this angle, And similarly AD is equal to AC, because AD is equal to AB given, therefore these two angles will also be equal to each other. These two will be equal to each other, and these two also will be equal to each other, but they are not necessary that they will be equal, because this equal, this and this are equal, but not necessary that these two are separately equal to these two. Remember it. Now here take this angle x, so this is also x. Take this angle y, so it is also y. And now you write x plus y and plus y. See here, x is angle of this B, x plus y is angle C, and y is angle of this triangle. In triangle DBC. And this is 180 degree, because sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x plus y will be equal to 90 degree. This is. You can write it in figures also, but very easily it can be proved. It is question number 6. One question I want to do more, and this exercise will be finished now. So I am doing question number 8 now. Question number 8. So that angles in an equilateral triangle are 60 degrees each. So this is an equilateral triangle. Question 8. Means here AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. When AB is equal to AC, then these two angles will be equal. And when AB equal to BC, then these two also be equal. Means all the three are equal. So let each angle be x. So we can say that x plus x plus x. Their sum will be 180 degree by some angle sum property of triangle. Means thrice of angle 6 is x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle x is equal to 180 by 3, that is 60 degree. This is question number 8. One I have left without discussion, number 7. So you try to finish number 7. Thus this exercise finishes. A very good exercise, and try to do it.